Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be reviewing another Tacklife product. Today's product of choice is the Tacklife M1 tire inflator. It's a handy little 12 volt air compressor that we're going to use to pump up a tire and a few other things. It says right on the side to start your engine and plug it in. We're using the 12 volt power adapter for the cigarette lighter power outlet. But instead we're going to kind of get two birds with one stone. We're going to use our Tacklife P16 portable power unit. This has AC and DC power. We are going to use our power outlet adapter and plug our compressor right into that. So let's do it. To put an air compressor to the test, you got to have something that needs air put in it. So we're going to take all the air out of this tire. This is out of my regular daily driver car. We're going to pull the core, take it right down to 0. 0 PSI. I have the valve core right here. We're going to put it back in and get ready to pump it up. Let's talk about a couple of the cool features. It doesn't have a normal clip-on Schrader valve attachment. It has a threaded valve stem attachment, which I kind of like because it doesn't pop off and it's pretty easy to figure out, you know, that it's on there all the way, because some of those ones you flip down, you're always questioning whether it's on correctly or not. Another feature I really like is it has a target pressure, so whatever you set your tire at, you just bump this up. I'm going to run this up to 35 PSI. So I'm going to set it at 34.5 because I did use this already, and it goes above what your setting is by half a pound, and then it shuts off. So you set that and then push set, and you can see it has 0 PSI in it right now, and we're going to start pumping it up. I am going to set a timer so we can see how long it takes this tire to go from 0 to 35 pounds. Ready? Okay, we're approaching, we're at 34.5 pounds. And it shut off. I don't know if you can see that or not. 7 minutes 33 seconds from 0 to, looks like it finished out at 35.5. So, and we have it set at 34.5. So like I said, it does seem to go a little bit over that. So just keep that in mind. If you want, I went higher than I normally do. So let's say you want 30 pounds, maybe set this at 28 and then check it. But I do like you can go and do things and come back and know that you're not going to be over pressured. Just to give you an idea, the ground temperature is 55 degrees and this head of the compressor heated up to about 86. So it's still pretty cool. You can put your hand right on it. The hose is a little bit warm, but I wasn't worried about it like overheating. It says shut it off every few minutes, but as long as, I mean, that's a pretty reasonable temperature. So that's pretty cool. Another cool feature it has is it has an LED light and a flasher. So if you're pumping your tire up in a parking lot or along the road, you can put that on, or just aim it at the tire, and that would be enough to illuminate the valve stem so you can see it. So that's pretty cool. But overall, it's pretty cool little tool. Now we're going to go inside and use one of the attachments to pump up something else. The tire showed what kind of pressure it can produce and the time for that. Now we're going to go with volume. So it comes with a couple different attachments, like for pumping up basketballs and blowing up different things. So we put in this tip and we're going to blow up that balloon. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing on here. This reminds me of my days as a clown. Alright, here we go. Fire in the hole. Whoa. Oh boy. That was loud. My ears are ringing. Well, that took about 5 seconds. in conclusion, it's a pretty cool little unit. It's quiet, it's easy to move around, it's easy to use, and does everything you need it to. I also really like the P16 power unit. So these two are a pretty cool combo. I'll try to get you a discount code and a product link down in the description so you can get your own if that's something you need. I've done a little more testing on this because I've had it for a while, and I definitely think it's a worthwhile tool to have. This one we just got, so I'll test it and review it more, but so far so good. Before we go, we're going to set this camera up for 240 frames per second, and we're going to blow up another balloon. This time I'm going to put earplugs in and see if we can get it on like a super slow-mo. So stay tuned for that.